The company that I chose to talk about is Banyan Group of Companies. It is a company that is situated in Vancouver, British Columbia. They offer multiple services for different sectors like residential, commercial, and industrial market sectors in Vancouver Island. In the recent years, they have grown a lot and have become one of the most important construction companies in Vancouver. So the subject that I chose is business ethics. So they are principles and values that are held within a company. Ethics are what the company defines as right and wrong. It often defines their work and how they handle their business. Their business ethics are strictly followed through their work and cover many subjects such as human rights, environmental responsibility, and employee satisfaction. The best example that I can give is how they treat their employees. So, in fact, the employees are not only treated as workers, they're also included in the decision making process. This helps create a bond between the employee and the employer because the employee will feel like they are really a part of the business. The company also works very hard to maintain their responsibility towards the environment. In fact, the company knows that they have an impact on the environment, and their goal is to minimize this impact by, for example, reducing their waste, convert their energy, and use a method of work that is sustainable. The company also engages in fair and honest practices. So that means that they conduct their business in the way that everything is transparent, such as their competition and their prices. They never engage in any unethical practices and they ensure that they follow every regulation that they could possibly have in their work. It is very important for many customers that the business that they work with are very transparent. So by doing this, the company ensures that they have more consumers. As we can see in the company's choices, they are very involved in having a good corporate responsibility. They make a lot of efforts to integrate social and environmental aspects in their business. Because of all the efforts that they do, they have created a name for themselves, and the branding of their name is very good. They are known to be very socially responsible, so they attract a lot of people that have the same values as theirs. Because of these new customers, they can now invest money in new projects. The company is also successful because they are open-minded. In fact, they encourage their employees to come up with innovative ideas. By doing this, they show that to their employees and also to their customers that they care about their business and their partners. So knowing this, it attracts potential employees because they know that the environment of work is safe and enjoyable. As a result of this, the company will have very stable and experienced workers that will work for them, and it will allow the quality of work to be really good, so the company will be able to make more money. To conclude, Banyan Group of Companies is doing really good with their ethics and their corporate responsibilities. Because of their hard work, they are now recognized as a company that is very socially responsible.